Hi, this is Sheila with the Fageron Group at eXp Realty. Today we're talking about homeowner maintenance. One of the most important things you can do as a homeowner is to continue to maintain your property. This not only will make it more enjoyable for you to live in, but as well it will make it easier for you when you get to the point that you eventually want to sell your property. What you can do is actually have tips that you look at every month and then do the little things every month to continue to maintain your property. It may be anything from changing your filters, to cleaning your gutters, to shampooing or steam cleaning your carpets, but really think about the things that you can do on a monthly basis to maintain your property so it makes it easier for you when you get to the point that you want to resell. Again, the things that you want to do are things that would not only keep your property from having damage or issues in the future, but things that will also help you as a homeowner when you put your property on the market to get the most value. If you have any other questions or want more information about how to maintain your property, please give us a call. We would be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much and have a great day.